Today I'll be unboxing some micro USB cables. They're Aucky brand. They come in a set of 5. 3 long ones that are 3 feet long and 2 short ones for 1 feet long. Here's the box itself. I chose black, but I'd previously ordered white. These are pretty good quality USB cables. The only reason why I'm unboxing these is because this is how they are organized. I have some USB Type-C adapters I wanted to try out. They're generic on Amazon also. And so these are pretty good quality cables. Thick. They won't break apart so easily. You can see. I can bring over a generic cable for you to compare. This one's the 3-foot cable, and you can see again, connector here is pretty solid. Let me go grab a generic one. Here's a generic one I could get from like Fry's or something. You can see it's limp. And sometimes the head of this, because it's so boxy, this is a generic one. This one's the Aucky one. You can see it says Aucky on it. Sometimes it's too large for it to fit properly, especially with smartphones with cases. And so this is nice and thin. It should fit a case if you have a case for your smartphone. I purchased this for $4 on Amazon, but regularly they're $8.99.